Jai Hind all of you. I am Dr. Anand Tyagi from Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College, Ghaziabad. Today I am going to deliver my lecture on Engineering Mathematics first KAS 103. Today we discuss the second module of this topic that is known as Differential Calculus 1. In the previous lecture we have done some portion of this unit and I explained in the previous lecture how to trace the curve in Cartesian form and elaborate the some example based on the curve tracing. But student have a query, sir please explain one and more problem in today lecture. So I first of all I explain what is the today contents of the module second differential calculus first. The two contents of today lecture are the curve tracing. Curve tracing is depend on polar form as well as Cartesian form. In the previous lecture I explained the curve tracing of Cartesian form and I explained how to trace the curve with the help of given point. Now in this lecture I explain curve tracing of the polar form also. Now next is envelope of the curve, how to calculate the envelope of the curve and what is the utilization of envelope in our engineering and technology. And next evolute of the curve, I explain here what is the role of the evaluate and how to calculate the evaluate of the curve, I explain here. And after this I explain the what is the role of involute and some other problem based on the above topic, right. So today lecture is very interesting due to the curve tracing, envelope and evolute, and this is the last lecture of this module differential calculus 1. Now I discuss here today contents are taking from the book E. Krejcik Advanced Engineering Mathematics, Marais de Weir, B.B. Ramanna, B.S. Grewal. Student can be opt any one of them. Now first of all I explain how to trace the curve in Cartesian form. In the previous lecture I explained the full form of the SOPNAR, SOPNAR. That is very most important part. First is symmetry. Student keeping in the mind when we see the problem of the curve, then first of all I take the decision where curve is symmetrical. Second is O. O means origin, curve is passing through the origin or not. If curve is passing through the origin, then we calculate tangent at this point, right, that means origin. How to calculate? Equating to 0 lowest degree terms of the curve. Suppose I write an example here, y square is equal to 4ax, right. So this symmetry of this curve is x-axis because curve contain even power of y. Now question is that this curve is passing through the origin or not? Yes, this curve is passing through the origin because y square is equal to 4x satisfy the 0, 0. Now question is that how to calculate tangent at the origin, right. So phenomena is equating to 0 lowest degree terms of the curve. That means 4ax is the lowest degree terms because degree of this term is 2 and degree of this term is 1. So that means lowest degree terms is 4ax is equal to 0. So that means x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0 means y axis is the tangent at origin. That means, right, we have calculated the nature of the curve at origin because tangent are different. So that means nature of the curve will be known here. How to? Suppose I want to draw here this curve is symmetrical about x-axis and tangent is this y-axis. So that means nature of the curve is node. So node is exist there because if I calculate value of y, so value of y will be under root 4ax, right. So that means if x is real then y is also real. If x is negative, so y will be imaginary. So that means curve does not exist beyond the left hand side of the origin. So curve is always exist in the right hand side of the origin. So shape of the curve y square is equal to 4ax will be open node here, right. In this way we find out the with the help of SOPNAR, right. P point of inflection, there is no point of inflection. N is nature, so nature of the curve at origin will be node here, open node. Asymptote, so asymptote how to calculate? Parallel asymptote, equating to 0 coefficient of highest power of y is 2 and coefficient of y square is nothing here, right. In this way, right, 4x is equal to 0, right, coefficient of x is 4a and a cannot be equal to 0 in parabola. So in this way we find out the asymptote. There is no asymptote of the curve. Next is R, region. So I calculate here region. right? So in this way we find out the curve tracing with the help of Sopnar. Today we discuss here some portion of the problem. Suppose our problem is this is the curve y square a plus x a minus x. First of all we see here what is the symmetry of this curve. So given curve contain even power of y, so curve is symmetrical about the x axis, right? Curve passing through the origin. How to calculate the tangent at origin, right? We have just now the curve is symmetrical about x axis, given curve is passing through the origin, they may be the first and second here, there is no problem. Student can be obtained symmetric second, origin first, tangent at the origin, that is very most important. How to calculate? Equating to 0 lowest degree terms of the curve at the origin. How to? Right, multiply y square a, so I write here y square into a, right, and that is y cube y square x, that means degree 3, right, and there is a is equal to ax square, right, a cancel out, so right, y square is equal to a square, that means y is equal to plus minus x is the tangent at origin. I write here y is equal to plus minus x, that means there are two tangent. If there are two tangent, then nature of the curve will be closed node here, right, that means double point, twice double point. I write here, right, putting y is equal to 0, suppose I write here y is equal to 0, so what will be the x? So x will be 0 and a, that means there are 2 points. First is a comma 0 will be here, a comma 0. Now question is that what will be the tangent at a comma 0? In the previous lecture I explained, if point a comma 0 and curve have all power in integer, that means there is no fraction power, that means tangent will be a comma 0 y axis, so tangent will be y axis here, right. And now nature of the curve at a comma 0, because curve is symmetrical about x axis and tangent is y axis, both are different, that means nature of the curve at this point will be node may be there and node may be there. So in this way we can find out our problem. In this way, what is the logic here? So logic is that if tangent and symmetry both are same, nature will be cusp. If symmetry and tangent both are different, nature of the curve will be node here. So in this way we can find out our problem, right. Now question is that what is, right, the option of this problem and how to calculate such type of problem here. So in this way we find out the asymptote, right. How to calculate asymptote? Suppose I want to calculate asymptote, so highest power of y is here and that is equal to x plus a is equal to 0, that means x is equal to minus a is the asymptote, and that will be outside the left hand side of the curve. That means I write here, suppose any curve and this is the point, right, that is a comma 0, right, and nature of the curve is here node, so node will be here and tangent is y is equal to plus minus x here, so tangent is this, so curve will be this here, right, and there exists a loop and this will be this side, right, with the help of this. So in this way we find out, right, the all things of the problem, right. Next, suppose I want to calculate here region of the curve, so where is curve is exist. So first of all I write here, right, there is, right, that is the asymptote of the curve, x is equal to a, that is one tangent, that is another tangent, and what will be the, and there is a point a and there is a tangent at y axis. So how to draw the curve? This is the tangent I draw here and this is tangent and this goes to this side and this goes to this side. In this way curve will be of this problem is this. Suppose I write here, given curve is here, so what will be the final position of this curve? So final position will be this here. So in this way we find out the the sketch of the given problem. So student, keeping in the mind when we solve the problem, first of all, right, we follow the Sopnar and what is the short form of the Sopnar, and I explain in the one by one here. So in this way, suppose I want to calculate another problem, trace the curve this, right, this curve contain even power of x as well as even power of y. So therefore this curve is symmetrical about x axis as well as about y axis. In this way we find out the curve passing through the origin or not. So yes, curve passing through the origin, because this curve satisfy the origin. Suppose I put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in the curve, left hand limit and right hand limit both have the same value, that is 0. So in this way we find out the curve passing through the 0. Suppose I want to calculate here point of intersection intersection या point of inflection, तो putting y is equal to 0 in the curve, if we put y is equal to 0, तो what is the value of curve will be x square a square minus x square, that means x is equal to plus minus a here. That means what will be the position of x is equal to plus minus a here, so position of x minus a, so a comma 0 will be here, right, and a minus comma will be here, right. Question is that what is the nature of the curve at a comma 0 and what is the nature of the curve at minus a comma 0, right. So I think here I just explain now, at a comma 0 tangent will be the y axis because there is no fraction in the curve, all power are integer, so that means, right, tangent at a comma 0 will be y axis. In the same way tangent of minus a comma 0 will be y axis here. So in this way we can find out the each tangent at each and every point, right. Now question is that tangent at the origin, how to calculate the tangent at origin, right, equating to 0 lowest degree terms, right. So how to write y square a square and y square x square a square, that means y square a square, right, is equal to 0, a square cancel out, that means y is equal to plus minus x. That means nature of the curve at origin will be closed node here and tangent will be y is equal to plus minus x. So tangent is this and tangent is this. So what will be the our diagram here I discuss here, and nature node is the since there are two different tangent at the origin, so that means nature of the curve will be node here. So how to draw the curve, right, suppose so tangent, right, this is the tangent and this is the also tangent, so nature of the curve is this, right, there are two loop. So in this way we can find out our diagram, right, this is the final diagram of the this curve. In this way we can find out our sort out our problem. Suppose I have another problem, right, what is the problem? Problem is this, y square x square plus y square plus a square x square minus y square. Question is that how to trace given curve contain even power of x as well as even power of y, and there is replacing x by minus x and y by minus x, so there is no change in the curve, that means curve is symmetrical in opposite quadrant, first and third quadrant. So student keeping in the mind when we solve the problem, symmetry may be more than one, may be more than 1, more than 2, more than 3. So in this way we can find out given curve is symmetrical both axes, I write in short, given curve is passing through the origin, I write very short, right. What is the tangent at origin? So equating to 0 lowest degree terms, that is this is also lowest, right, because y square multiply by this, so that means y raised to the power 4, degree will be 4, so lowest degree terms will be here x square minus y square. Now trace the curve y is equal to plus minus x here, right. In this way we find out the two tangent, nature of the curve at the origin will be node here and their existence and possibility of the, right, and coordinate is y is equal to 0 and y is equal to plus minus a. What will be the nature of the curve, right, we can say that these are the point a 0 comma a, so 0 comma a will be here, right. Now question is that 0 comma minus a is there. Now question is that what is the nature of the curve at 0 comma a, question is that, right. I explained just now, right, which coordinate will be the tangent, which is 0, right. So tangent will be here x axis and tangent will be here x axis. Now tangent of the curve at the origin are y is equal to yx and y is equal to minus x, that means curve is exist in this position because this is the node, right, and this is also tangent of the curve, so this will be here, right. Suppose in the previous question point of intersection lies on the x axis, so curve exists in the x axis, so with the help of intersection point we can take the decision where curve exists. Now finally suppose I wants to calculate here, right, where curve is exist and what is the position of the tangent at the different point, so I calculate here. Suppose I wants to calculate here final graph of this point, the graph of this point will be this, I explained just now, right. Now question is that what is the position of this graph and what is the region, how to check that region are correct, there is no asymptote, I write here, right. How to calculate region, I write here, curve is exist always positive value of y. So in this way we can find out our problem, and first of all student keeping in the mind when we solve the problem, first of all see the equation very carefully and then take the decision with the help of softener. In this way we can find out our problem. This is the another problem. Suppose I wants to solve that this curve, right, what is the symmetry of this curve, their curve is symmetrical about x axis as well as y axis because both are the even power, तो symmetrical at both axes. Curve passing the origin or not, so yes, this curve is passing through the origin, yes. Tangent at origin, so tangent lowest degree terms is this y square minus x square, so y is equal to plus minus x is the tangent, right? Point of inflection, there is no point of inflection, that means there is not closed node, right? And nature of the curve at the origin will be node here because two tangent, right? Region, what is the region of curve? So I write calculate here, right? Now question is that what is the asymptote of this curve, right? So asymptote of this curve I calculate here with the help of this, right? X square, y square, and y square is as it is. That means y square have the two place, x square minus a square and y square, right? And equating to 0, coefficient of highest power of y, that is y square, and coefficient of is x square minus a square, that means x is equal to plus minus a are the asymptote here, parallel asymptote. So one is this, x is equal to a, and second is this, and diagram will be this. This is tangent and curve exists into this direction and goes to up to infinite, because nature of the asymptote is that it attacks the curve towards yourself, right? Curve goes to the parallel to the a, x is equal to minus a up to infinite. So final diagram will be this. In this way we find out the characteristic of our problem. In this way we find out our problem with the help of given problem, right? Next, suppose I want to calculate here, this is the curve, and first time curve is contain the fraction power, no integer power. So I write here, I explain here how to trace the curve. Given curve is symmetrical about the x axis as well as y axis. Why? We consider here x raised to the power 1 by 3 and final raised to the power 2 here. So that means this is the even part. Similarly, y raised to the power 1 by 3 and its square even power. That means given curve is symmetrical about x axis as well as y axis. Suppose I write here in the place of y and in the place of x there is no change, right? Suppose I write minus x and I write y minus 1, there is no change. So that means this curve contain all four types of symmetry. So given curve contain all types of symmetry, right? Question is that this curve is passing through the origin or not. So I write here x is 0, y 0, but a not equal to 0. So that means this curve not passing through the origin. So in this way we find out very short duration of time, two position, right? First is symmetry and second is curve does not passing through the origin. So right now next is point of intersection, that is very most important part, point of intersection. So there are 4 points. 4 point which, suppose I write here x is equal to 0, so y is equal to will be plus minus a. So coordinate will be 0 comma a, 0 comma minus a. So right, so what will be the position of, so first point is there, second point is there. Suppose I write here y is equal to 0, x is equal to plus minus a, so this and this, so there is a comma 0. Now we see very carefully, because our aim is calculate nature of the curve at a comma 0, right? Students see very carefully it, right? A comma 0 and curve contain the all power in fraction, I write here. That means nature of the curve a comma 0 will be cusp, because curve contains all power in fraction. If curve contain any one of power is integer, that means rule will be divert here, right? So tangent will be here x axis, right? In this portion tangent will be this line, right? In this portion tangent will be this line. Curve is symmetrical about x axis and tangent x axis, so nature of the curve will be cusp here. So nature of the curve will be here, right? In this way nature of the curve will be here, right? So in this way nature of the curve will be here. So right, that means all points nature of the curve will be cusp here, right? And curve is symmetrical about the this line, so that means there is no asymptote and both curve are meet to each other at this way. So in this way we can find out our problem, right? This in this way we can find out this way problem. So right, in this way we find out our problem, right? How to, so we discuss here one by one here, right? So diagram of this problem is this. So in this way that is very most important, and that is known as asteroid, and this is the right beneficial scale, right? That is known as the asteroid. Asteroid is the this is the only phenomena to solve our problem, right? In this case of just like when we see the structure of cancer patient, this will be just like it, right? That means merge of the asteroid. So in this way we can find out our problem, right? Suppose I want to calculate, take some another problem, right? Suppose I want to take this problem, that is another problem, and how to solve this one by one. First of all, I calculate symmetry about x-axis and passing through the origin, and tangent is y is equal to plus minus x here. So in this way we find out our problem and calculate the diagram will be this, because there exists a point minus a comma 0 here. So in this way we can find out our problem. Trace the curve. How to trace the curve? So this is the curve, that is a polar form. How to calculate the polar form? First of all, student, keeping in the mind, if theta is replaced by minus theta and there is no change, so that means curve is symmetrical about the initial line, that means curve is symmetrical about the x-axis. If r is replaced by minus r and there is no change in the curve, right, that means curve is symmetrical about the pole. There are two things. First of all, I calculate symmetry S, and then secondly calculate R max, R minimum with the help of calculator. And student, keeping in the mind, when we solve this such type of problem in polar form, then we remember it, if R is equal to a cos n theta, right, or a sin n theta. Student, keeping in the mind very carefully, if n is even, then there exists 2n loop, if n is odd, so that means n loop. Student, keeping in the mind, right, loop means closed curve, loop, right, student, study very carefully, right, and hearing very carefully when we solve the problem. So r is equal to a cos 2 theta and 2 is even number, so that means there are 4 loop exist in this curve. So in this curve exist 4 loop means closed curve. So student, listen very carefully when we solve the problem. So first of all we consider it by the general form. So that means this curve contain 4 loops. Where 4 loop? So I explain one by one here. Suppose I write here, right, given curve is symmetrical about the initial line because there is no change by replacing theta by minus theta. This curve is symmetrical about initial line. Initial line means the curve is symmetrical about x-axis here. Now second is I calculate first R minimum, that is very most important, because with the help of R minimum tangent exists only, right. So R minimum will be 0 because R is the radius vector and radius vector cannot be negative. So R minimum will be 0 when cos theta is equal to 0 and 2 theta is equal to pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 by 2, 7 pi by 2 dash 9 pi by 2. I to write more than one values because there are 4 loop, right. How to calculate such type of problem, right. Next calculate theta is equal to this. So that means first loop lies between minus pi by 4 to pi by 4, right. I explain here, right. Next 3 pi by 4, next loop is exist between, first loop is this, second loop is this, next is 5 pi by 4, right, third loop is this, and 4 loop is pi by 4, 7 pi by 4, that is the 4 loop. So that means there exist 4 loop, right, between minus pi by 4 to 4. This is the our road map to solve the problem. So this there are 4 loop will be exist here. Now calculate R max, right. There are two things, R minimum and R maximum. So R maximum will be when cos 2 theta is equal to 1. That means 2 theta is equal to 0. That means theta is equal to 0, right. Theta is equal to 0 when R max will be A here, right. So in this way we can say that the first loop exists between pi by 4, 3 right, pi by 4 and minus pi by 4 here, and this coordinate is a comma 0 and tangent of a comma 0 will be y axis in the previous method. So that means first loop will be here, first loop is this, right. Second loop lies between pi by 4 and 3 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4 will be here and this will be A. So what will be the, because R maximum is A, so this is the second loop, and third loop lies between 3 pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4 and that will be the third loop, and next loop will be like the 5 by 4 and 7 pi by 4, this will be this. So in this way we find out without any calculation 4 loop exist here, right. Each and every point there will be tangent parallel to x, this and this and this. In this way we find out our problem with the help of only 2 points. First is symmetry and second is R max and R minimum. So that means polar form is easier than the Cartesian form. In this way we can find out our problem, right? How to solve? At a comma 0 exist, I write here each and every step. We explain here there is for loop. Why? I explained initially, right? I write here note with the help of if to and loop exist if n is even. In this way we find, and there is no asymptote because polar form r cos theta and r sin theta. Suppose I write r square, so will be there exists a circle sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So that means there is no asymptote in the case of polar form, right? And r exists for all real values of y. In this way we can find out our final diagram, and final diagram will be this. So in this way we can find out our diagram is also, right? Another problem, that is very most important problem at the point of exam view, right? R is equal to a 1 plus cos theta, right? This curve is symmetrical about the x-axis because there is no change, theta replaced by minus theta. So this curve is symmetrical about the x-axis. How to? I write here. Now calculate R minimum. R minimum is depend cos theta is equal to minus 1 here, right? So theta is equal to pi here. So in this way we can find out our problem and calculate the value of the each and every statement, right? So that means theta is equal to pi. Where theta is equal to pi? So theta is equal to pi will be here. So that is theta is equal to pi, right? And that is R minimum. R minimum means 0. That the means origin, right? Now question is that curve is symmetrical about the x-axis, and right? That means tangent is this, and it is also tangent, right? That means both are same, symmetry and tangent both are same. So nature of the curve will be cusp here. So nature of the cusp will be here this, right? Now question is that curve is symmetrical about the x-axis, right? I want to check that this curve goes to back side or not. That means theta is equal to pi by 2. What will be the nature of theta is equal to pi by 2? Suppose I write here theta is equal to pi by 2 cos pi by 2 0. That means r is equal to a. That means this curve goes to back side at theta is equal to pi by 2 and cut about the theta, right? That is r is equal to a, right? Now question is that what is the r max? So r max will be here, right? R max will be here. R is equal max will be 2a, because at cos theta is equal to 1, suppose I write here 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2a, and at theta is equal to 0, and theta is equal to 0 is here, that is theta is equal to 0. So that means curve is play the most important role, and there will be a tangent parallel to the y-axis. That means this curve, nature of this curve at this point will be node here. So this curve meet to the this, and this curve will meet to this. The nature of this curve will be just like a heart shape, and this is known as heart shape curve, a cardioid curve, right? In engineering and technology, that is known as cardioid figure, right? In this way we find out each and everything, right? Suppose I want to calculate tangent, so this is the problem to calculate the tangent in polar form, but there is no need of such type of calculation. Student can draw it with the help of r minimum and r maximum here only. So in this way we can find out our problem, right? And we can check here with the help of this, if theta is equal to 0, then phi will be pi by 2. That means tangent will be phi is equal to pi by 2, that means y-axis. That is the proof our calculation, okay, this is right or not. So at the 2a comma 0, tangent will be y-axis. So I calculate it easier way, right? So what will be the figure here? So figure will be here, right? I write here each and every statement which I explain here. So diagram will be this. So in this way we can draw the diagram. Suppose I consider the another problem, r is equal to a1 minus cos theta here. So how to calculate such type of problem, right? So suppose this curve is symmetrical about x-axis, right? Suppose I want to calculate r minimum. So what will be the r minimum of this curve? So r minimum is equal to 0 when cos theta is equal to 1. That means theta is equal to 0, right? That means theta is equal to 0 is a line, that is theta is equal to 0 is this line. That means symmetry and tangent both are same. Student keeping in the mind r minimum will be represent tangent here, right? That means theta is equal to 0 is the tangent, and symmetry is also x-axis, the both are same. So that means nature of the curve at this point will be cusp, right? Will be cusp here, right? Now question is that this curve is goes to the back side. Suppose I write here theta is equal to cos pi by 2, so cos pi by 2 0, that means r is equal to a. That means this curve goes to back side at theta is equal to pi by 2. Yeah, we can say that r is equal to a. Because curve is symmetrical about the initial line, so this will be this. I write here. I want to calculate here r max. So r max will be here what will be the R max here? I suppose I want to calculate R max is equal to 2a when cos theta is equal to -1 and cos theta is equal to -1, theta is equal to pi, and theta is equal to pi is the this line, that means coordinate is this. So the right nature of the curve at this point will be node here, because symmetry and tangent both are different, right? So that means this goes to this side and meet this one. So in this way we can find out our problem. This is the same problem as the previous, but one change is this exists on the left side and previous exists on right hand side. So in this way we can find out the tracing with the help of only two curve, right? And all things are required to need, right? That means all verification that our calculation is right or not. So theta is equal to 5 by 2. If theta is equal to pi, phi is equal to pi by 2. That means tangent will be perpendicular to the theta is equal to pi. Now question is that what will be the asymptote, and there is no asymptote in the polar form. I write here, and this will be the final curve of the curve. In this way we can find out our problem in the polar form. Suppose I consider the another problem, right? Suppose I consider the another problem, r square is equal to a square cos 2 theta, right? In this way we can find out, right, how to trace, right? So this formula is not apply here because there is a square. So there exist only two loop, right? So first of all, this curve is symmetrical about the initial line. First, without any calculation we can do it, right? And student can do it, you can do it, right? If you have a practice, you can draw the diagram without any calculation. Because why need? Because when we go to the third unit, there is a question arise how to calculate the area, how to calculate the volume, and how to calculate the length of the curve. In this case we have no idea how to calculate. So that means first we draw the diagram and then calculate the area, right? Now question is that how to calculate the loop, right? That means there are two loop, given curve is symmetrical about the x-axis, right? How to calculate? First of all I calculate the r minimum. So r minimum, that means r mini will be 0 here when cos 2 theta is equal to right 0, right? And 2 theta is equal to 0, so that means theta is equal to pi by 4. So that means there are two tangent, theta is equal to pi by 4 and theta is equal to minus pi by 4 here. This is the tangent. How to draw the tangent, right? Next is r max. So what will be the r max here? So r max here plus minus a when cos 2 theta will be 1, right? So in this way we can find out the coordinate a comma 0 and minus a comma 0, and nature of the curve at a comma 0 will be node here, right? And tangent of this curve will this, and tangent of this will. So that means diagram of this curve will this, because nature of this curve and nature of this curve is node. So this is the diagram of this curve. So in this way we can find out the our curve tracing in polar form. So student keeping in the mind when we trace the curve in Cartesian form and polar form, so first of all we have some practice with the help of today lecture, and if student have any problem then they can be contact me and I try to solve their problem, right? Thanks all of you.